Main issues with this door: track was bent because it's sliding on small monorail, header was sagging, pushing on the panel, and the frame was separating from the sill where the water was coming in. Solution: getting it replaced. Step 1 complete, door removed, inspection of the valve opening done, nothing is rotted, everything is healthy, good to go to get the door installed. One of the most important parts to getting the doors installed is sill pan. In this case, it's a concrete with the new aluminum flashing sill pan where the door is going to be sitting on top of it in order to divert the water away from our install. Upon arrival, our crew will inspect and make sure your door or window that you purchased through us is actually free of any defects and everything looks the way it's supposed to. This is the final product installed. This customer chose Provia Endure sliding patio door for a couple of reasons. One of them is it's one finger action to open and close the door. It's really easy to slide. Second feature is this monorail is hugged by the panel, so there is no drafts coming through the bottom. Those are the most important actually features on this door. Next one, or the last one, is also the twin latch design, where you have two latches shooting one up and one down in order to grab on a strike, and that's for additional safety. So again, monorail, twin latch design, and ease of slide is one of the features of these Provia doors. The screen itself glides, and the reason why it's because it's hung from the top, not the bottom. There's no wheels at the bottom. The screen operates from the top. So it's really nice and easy to glide, and to locking it, it's actually done on an auto latch. Once you pull it closed, push it closed, the door is actually secure. To release it, just push on the handle and you're releasing the whole screen again and storing it at the side. I believe the job was well done. Call us if you want one of those in your place.